Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm making a video. You already know who it is. It's your girl Latonya, L to the A to the C-O-N-Y-A. So like I said, today I'm making a video and it's a cooking video. So I'm making this Velveeta skillet ultimate cheeseburger macaroni. It looks good. You see it on the box. Yeah, that's how it's gonna look when I cook it. So be ready. So it's about to go down. So y'all will see with the rest of the video how it's gonna be and what I'm doing. Alright, so let's get to it. Y'all, this is what I'm making. I'm making the Velveeta skillet ultimate cheeseburger macaroni, and so with the meat. So this is what I use for the meat. You know, my mom used for the meat. We use Lari seasoning. We use just a little bit of garlic powder. Use some black pepper. Use some Worcester sauce. Yeah, that sauce. Yeah. And that's all mixed in with the meat. It smells so good right now. Wish y'all can smell it through the camera, but can't. But it smells good up in the kitchen. You heard me. Hey y'all, what's up? So I'm doing a little bit of a cooking video. My mama, she up here cooking the meat right now, and I'm helping her. And sooner or later, I'm about to get started on the noodles and stuff like that. And then after that, yeah, we're gonna put it all together. You're gonna see how it's gonna look. It's gonna really taste good. Woo. Alright, so right now that's just the meat cooking. Soon I'll be showing a video of the rest of the stuff what we're putting together. Alright. Best part about this is the cheese. So now we're putting the cheese up in the macaroni stuff. And now it's really about to get good. See, look at all that cheese. Let me get a nice little close up on that. See, that look good, don't it? All that cheese. Stir it around. Good. Woo. See, look at that. You see how that looking? It looks so yummy and tasty. I love it. Woo. Y'all see how this goes? I mean, it looks delicious. Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama.
You slap me, you gonna be on that sauce.
Like I said, it tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. Hey, mama, can I smack you? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
If I could slap,
I'm just kidding.
I'll smack you back.
I'm just kidding. Nah, we ain't doing none of that up in here.
Yeah, if I could smack you back, yeah.
Yeah, we ain't doing none of that up in here. Yeah, we ain't doing none of that up in here. But like I said, it tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. But I recommend don't do that.
Yeah, exactly.
I recommend do not do that. If your parent temper is very bad, do not do it.
No, just don't.
I recommend just not do that. But yeah, look at this. I mean, get everywhere. Get in there. That look good in it. Got the cheese sauce mixed in with the meat. The pasta shells got the seasoning in it. You smell that? That smells delightful. And man, now it is done. And now it's time to eat. So let go. Hey y'all, so I'm back. So now that it is done, I'm going to taste it for you guys. Alright, so sometimes, okay, some people may not do this, some people might, if they ever had this before. But I put hot sauce on mine. Put some of this hot sauce right here. Put some hot sauce on mine and stuff. And it be tasting good and spicy. So, alright, so now, about to add some spice to it. Y'all see that I got my juice and all that. Alright. Alrighty. So add this up in here. Okay, so now I'm about to eat it. This is good. I mean, the seasoning went through the meat, through everything. That is good. I'm telling you. Whew, man, this is really good. This is a 10 right here. Definitely a 10. I recommend this for you to eat if you like it, or if you might want to try something different, child. So I would recommend that you could try this if you want to. But this is like really good. But that is all for this video for today. This is Cooking with Latonya. So make sure that you comment for more videos that you want me to do, cooking, beauty, anything like that. Comment down below, like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you like this video, and so I'm out. Alright, peace. This is really good. I recommend you try this. Alright.